You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments. Alright friends, in this quick episode of DIYNate, I'm going to show a quick video on what to do if you find you have a water leak coming in from your roof and the issue is a nail pop. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional roofer and there are many ways to solve this issue the right way, but this is a quick way I have found that gets the job done. Doing the job the right way likely involves using some specialized tools, using flashing, and possibly removing the shingle. This video is that. Or simply using some roofing sealant. You may find it in your local hardware store with a name like Blackjack, Henry's, or some other brands, and I'll leave a link in the video description in case you want to purchase some of that. One other point, when you see the end product, my work doesn't look pretty. I did this on the back side of 2 of my rental properties recently, and I wasn't worried about the aesthetics. If you take your time, you can make it look nice, but a roof is hot while you're working on it, so keep that in mind. Lastly, be careful climbing on your roof, getting on and off, and each situation and nail may require a different approach. Sometimes you may need to remove the nail altogether, sometimes you might be able to hammer it back in and seal around it, and other times you might need to replace the shingle altogether. Here's the little nail popping out right there. Let's see if I can get something on that. Alright, so there's our spot right there. Water is hitting hard on that one plank right there. I think it's coming right on that. I'm going to get over a little bit and see if I can get a better shot of it. So from what I can tell, it's the only wet spot I see. It seems to be just hitting that one spot. Got a little nail pop here that I remember from last time I was up here. Didn't have Blackjack with me at the time, so dealing with it now. I feel like this guy has a significant hole that I want to deal with. Get it done. Not shown here in the video, but I pulled the old nail out, cleaned around the hole underneath the shingle, and then used my caulk gun with a tube of roofer sealant to fill the hole. I had some excess after filling the hole, so I just spread around the area and smoothed the sealant out. I am putting some roof tar, or some of this roof leak seal, in the world of tools that you never think you're gonna use. I had some of this roof cement, like maybe an inch left of this tube, and funny enough, I actually was able to use it for one of my rental properties. We just patched that, spread that on there using a little spreader tool here. And I'm gonna go ahead and seal this upper flap down as well, making sure we don't have a leak in the future. I started underneath and smeared that in, made sure the nail was out of there. And then I basically put the tar in the underneath hole and then on top to make a layer so that it'll make sure it really coats it for the future. I've also covered some of the area around it just because I had excess, and it's not gonna hurt anything having extra tar around there. Obviously, if this shingle has problems in the future, we may have to replace the whole thing. I'm gonna hold it down for just a little bit here, let it get sealed, and I think we're good. That's how you repair that. So this is actually a lot easier than people think. The hardest part is always getting up on the roof. It's good to have somebody watching while you're up there. I always hate getting on a roof in general, but especially a steeper roof. This one's kind of steep. It's a hot afternoon, and so I'm dealing with that. You've been watching DIYNate. Hope this helps you with your roof repair, saves you some money. A lot of contractors will charge you a good deal to come out and just do something very simple like this. So if you can avoid it, do it. All right, folks, if this little roof repair helped you out, hope you were able to get some value out of this and get your own roof repaired. Be careful on those roofs. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.